Hey everyone, in this video we're learning about parameters, arguments, and return values. First, I want to start with the basic function. In this function, name is the parameter. Parameters are like, you can think of placeholders. They let you pass in information when you call the function. When we call the function down below, Sam is the argument. The value Sam is the argument. So parameters go in the function and arguments go in the function call. You can think of parameters as variables you define in the function and arguments as the actual data you're sending to the function. And we can see that result like so. Hello, Sam. You also can use multiple parameters in a function. Just separate them with columns. And in this example, A and B are both parameters, and we pass in 5 and 3 as arguments. And we get back 8. So far, we've just logged things, but functions can also return values. As you can see here in this function, we're returning x times y. The return keyword sends a value back to wherever the function was called. In this case, right here. Function was called here, multiply. We enter 4 and 5 as the argument. We can save that and then in a variable. In this case, we're saving it to a variable called result. And then use it directly. In this case, we're console.logging that result in the console. Which we get back 20. Once you return something, the function ends. Anything after that line won't run. Lastly, if someone doesn't pass in a value, that's where default parameters come in. Here, in this function, we have name assigned to a value of friend. This is the default value. If no argument is passed, name will automatically be friend. In this case, we have greet with no argument and greet with the argument of Jordan. And if we run this, we get back hello friend and then hello Jordan. And that's a wrap on parameters, arguments, and return values. These are super important building blocks when writing clean, reusable code. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more JavaScript content, and let me know in the comments what you're looking to learn more about in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.